Volvo XC40 comes with a ticket holder on the windshield. It is located on the left side, on the driver's side of the vehicle. So for example, if you need to put your parking pass or something else on the windshield, you won't have to glue it, because it's always a pain to remove it afterwards. You can simply put it right here and the ticket holder will hold it in place. Besides that, of course, you can insert your parking tickets in here as well, and they will be fully visible. And this is how it looks like from the outside of the vehicle. As I said, the ticket is fully visible and you do not need to glue them to the windshield.